Hi guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you how to make a classic cocktail called the Paper Plane, and we have that now in our new class menu. So over to you, Kate.
You're right guys, it's Kay here at TT Liquor once again, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a drink from our new cocktail class menu. This is a drink called a Paper Plane. Now, Paper Plane is a shaken drink and it's served straight up in a coupe or a martini glass. And the first thing I want is some bourbon. So I've got some Buffalo Trace bourbon here. So I'm going to start with 20 mils of my Buffalo Trace bourbon. Now, just like our Buffalo Trace, we want 20 mils of our Select Aperitivo. We're going with 20 mils of our Montenegro. And just like all our other ingredients, we want 20 mils of our lemon juice. Now I'm just going to go ahead and fill this up with cubed ice. Whack my tin on top, big old smack to seal it, and we'll give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. And we want this drink nice and smooth, so I'm going to double strain it into the glass. Beautiful colour. So for my garnish on this, I'm going to have a little bit of fun. It is a paper plane, so I'm going to garnish it with a paper plane. Here's one I made earlier. And I'm just going to grab one of these tiny little pegs and just peg that to the side of the glass. And that is our paper plane ready to drink.